香港政府伫2021年的时阵，用国安法来起诉47个民主派的人士。即马第一波判决出来也是拢总有14人被判有罪。针对这个判决，香港政府是认为讲有成功来化解危机，也毋过民主派人士却认为讲香港的司法甲自由已经互人破坏了。
检出法院大楼被判无罪释放律师刘伟聪，呼吁各方继续关注被判有罪甲等待判决的其他被告。
I won't say this case is finished because further proceedings is going on. I am unable to say too much. Do bear with me. Thank you very much for the concern over all the defendants of this case.
刘伟聪甲其他46人牵涉所谓的47人案，是因为自2020年香港立法会选举进程，民主派家己举办初选，互港府认定想要颠覆政府。伫隔年1月开始大规模搜捕民主派，包含黄之锋、周行东等积极参加民主派活动的人士，拢加做47人案的被告。这也是自2020年7月7日港版国安法上路以来第一件重大政治案件。
Right now. There's not much press freedom, not much freedom of expression, and no freedom of assembly, and no freedom of demonstration. People are very frightened. I don't think many people dare to talk to you. So Hong Kong was not like that a few years ago.
香港政府对判决的反应当然是拍破叫好。
It is good that we are able to interdict the plot so that the Hong Kong citizen will not be suffer and Hong Kong will now resume to a normal state.
扣除即摆被判有罪14人，甲无罪释放的2个人，因为这案件遭到关押等待判决的民主派人士，还有31人伫监狱当中。公司新闻徐家珍报道。